Good afternoon, students. Now today we'll start next topic, next point related to the rational numbers. Certain subjective questions on the rational numbers. Basically, what we have discussed in the rational numbers, the operations of rational numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions, and certain properties of the rational numbers like closure property. Then we have discussed commutative property, associative property, distributive property, additive and multiplicative inverse, additive and multiplicative identity. तो ये जो हमने टॉपिक्स डिस्कस किए, how to, and next we have discussed how to represent a number on the how to represent a rational number on the number line, and how to find the rational numbers, required number of rational numbers between any given two rational numbers. So उन्हीं टॉपिक से रिलेटेड कुछ सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस है that we have discussed now. ठीक है. So first question, what must be subtracted from minus 9 by 14 to get 11 by 18? Question is what must be subtracted from minus 9 by 14 to get 11 by 18. So how to solve this question? Let's suppose a rational number x is subtracted from minus 9 by 14. So minus 9 by 14 minus x is equals to 11 by 18. Question is what should you subtract from minus 9 by 14 to get 11 by 18? तो इस नंबर में से आपको क्या एलिमिनेट करना है? x को एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है. So you will get a 11 by 18. So to find the value of x, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन आप करेंगे. ठीक है. minus 9 by 14. Now as you transfer 11 by 18 in the left hand side, it becomes minus 11 by 18, and this minus x become x. ठीक है. Now we are taking LCM of 14 and 18. क्या हो जाएगा? 14 और 18 का LCM 2, 7 and 9, then 3, 7 and 3, then 3, 7 and 1, then 7, 1 and 1. So that is 21 into 6. 26. So 126 is the LCM. Now 126 is divided by 14. So the question comes 9. 9 is multiplied by minus 9. So that is minus 81. Now 126 is divided by 18. The question comes as 7. 7 is multiplied by minus 11. So minus 77. So it will be minus 158 by 126. That is the value of x. Now we can simplify this number in the lowest form. तो x की वैल्यू को और सिंप्लीफाई हम कर सकते हैं. x is equals to minus 158 by 126. If you divide this by 14 से नहीं, 7 से हो जाएगा. 7 से भी नहीं होगा. So it will be 2 से कैंसिल किया आपने. 7, 9 divided by 63. ठीक है. So minus 79 by 60. Is that clear? ठीक है. So that will be the value of x. Is that clear? ठीक है. So that x is subtracted from minus 9 by 14 to get a 11 by 18. ठीक है. Now next question. In the subjective question, जो आपका subjective language दे रखा है उसको पहले आपको रिक्वायर्ड सिचुएशन के हिसाब से इक्वेशन फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना रहेगा. जैसे क्वेश्चन है डिवाइड द सम ऑफ 5 by 9 and 8 by 7. Divide the sum of 5 by 9 and minus 8 by 7 by the product of 7 by 5 and 3 by 8. Divide the sum of 5 by 9 and minus 8 by 7 by the product of 7 by 5 and 3 by 8. Now, according to the situation, we form first expression. आपको क्या बोला है कि you divide the sum of 5 by 9 and 8 by 7 minus 8 by 7 with the product of 7 by 5 and 3 by 8. So that will be your result. Let's suppose that result is taken to be x. So first we find the addition of these two rational number. Now LCM of 9 and 7 is 63. Now 63 is divided by 9. The quotient comes 7. 7 is multiplied by 5. It will be 35. Now 35. Now 63 is divided by 7. The quotient comes is 9. 9 is multiplied by 8 minus 72. Divided by 21 by 40. Because the product of these two is 21 by 40. Now the numerator is now plus 35 minus 72, that is minus 37 by 63 divided by 21 by 40. So reciprocal हो जाएगा minus 37 by 63 into 40 by 21. ठीक है. So the number x is now any part is कुछ भी डेटा कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा है. So x is minus 1480 divided by 63 1323. Okay, so that is the value of x. Is that clear? Okay, so that is the value of the result. Any doubt in the part? Okay, the next question. A container has a capacity of 84 4 by 5 liter. If this container is filled with 11 2 by 3 liters of oil, then find how much more oil the container can hold. ठीक है. Actual capacity of the container is 84 4 by 5. Total capacity of tank is 84 4 by 5 liter. आपको जो नंबर दे रखा है that is in the mixed form. ठीक है. Now the volume of oil filled in the container or in the tank is 11 2 by 3. So remaining volume कितना होगा? The empty space of the tank is what? That is a 84 4 by 5 minus 11 2 by 3. So that is the empty space of tank in which more amount of oil can be added. So we just subtract these two rational number. So first we will convert this mixed form of number in the rational form. So 84 4 by 5 is how much? 424 by 5 minus 35 by 3. So that is the x, considered as a x. Now we are taking a LCM of 5 and 3, that is equals to 15. Now 15 is divided by 5, that quotient comes 3. 3 is multiplied by 424 into 3 minus 35 into 5. Because when this 15 is divided by 3, the quotient comes 5. 5 is multiplied by 35. Now 424 is multiplied by 3. 1281 minus 35 divided by 35 multiplied by 5, that comes 165 divided by 50. Okay, so the total value of x is 6 1 no 1 2 1 1 1 6. No 5 7 1116 divided by 50 liter. So that will be the amount. Is that clear? Okay. Now next question. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 10 2 by 3 and the breadth is 9 3 by 4. Find the area of rectangle whose length of rectangle that is given, that is 10 2 by 3 and breadth 9 3 by 4. What? Okay, no issue. I will send the video. No issue. Okay? We just check it out. Okay? So the length of rectangle is 10 2 by 3 and the breadth of rectangle is 9 3 by 4. So you just find the area of rectangle as well as the perimeter of rectangle. So area of rectangle, as we know, that length into breadth. So that is 10 2 by 3 into 9 3 by 4. You just cut this number into the rational form, that is 32 by 3 and that is 37 by 4. Okay, meter and meter. So you multiply 32 by 3 with 37 by 4. Okay, so this 4 and 32 cancel out. So that is 8 into 37 by 3. So 5. 8 7s are 56 5. 29 by 3. Okay. Now this 296 is not divisible by 3. So area is 296 by 3 meters square. Now the perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus B. What? 2L plus B. Okay. So 2L is 32 by 3 plus breadth is 37 by 4. Now we first taking a LCM of 3 and 4, that is 12. Now 12 is divided by 3. The quotient term is 4. 4 is multiplied by 32. And the 4 is divided by 12. The quotient term is 3. It is 37 into 3. Okay? So the parameter comes ये 2 and ये 12 cancel हो जाएगा 6. So 8, 128 plus 111 divided by 6. So the parameter of rectangle is 239 by 6 meter. Is that clear? ठीक है? Any doubt in this part? ठीक है? Now we'll discuss more questions. Now next question. A dealer earns 700 profit on the selling a TV set but suffer a loss of 200 on selling a VCR. What will be its total profit or loss on the selling 24 TV sets and 15 VCRs? ठीक है? Question is what? A dealer earns a 700 profit on the selling a TV set and suffers a loss of 200 on selling a VCR. Now the profit earns on selling each TV set is 700 rupees. Now loss suffers on selling each VCR is 200 rupees. So now first calculate the total profit on selling 24 TV sets. That is 700 into 24. So that total rupees is 16,800 rupees. That is the total profit. Now total loss on selling 15 VCRs. So that is 15 into 200. That is 3,000 rupees. So the total profit is 16,800 minus 3,000. That is 13,800. That is a simple question. ठीक है? Is that clear? ठीक है? Okay, no issue. Now next question. the Kawaljeet walks 1/4 kilometer, means 5/4 kilometer towards east from her house to visit her friend. From there he walks 17/6 kilometer towards west to the market. How far is the she road from her house? ठीक है, क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट, Kawaljeet first walk 5/4 kilometer towards east from her house. मतलब पहले उसने क्या किया, 5/4 किलोमीटर वो ईस्ट ट्रेवल किया उसके घर से, ठीक है. From there he walks 17/6 kilometer towards west to the market, ठीक है. सो टोटल कितना डिस्टेंस उसने ट्रेवल किया वो आपको चेक करना है कि दैट हाउ फार ही इज नाउ फ्रॉम हर हाउस. तो आपको एक्चुअली क्या चेक करना है, यू जस्ट चेक आउट द टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट कि स्टार्टिंग से यानी उसके हाउस से वो कितना डिस्टेंस पर है. सर फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर वी आर टेकिंग दैट इज हाउस इज एट ओरिजिन, ये हाउस प्लेस है उसका, ठीक है. ये नॉर्थ, ये साउथ, ये वेस्ट, ये ईस्ट, ठीक है. फर्स्ट ट्रेवल्स 5/4 किलोमीटर from his house to her friend house. ये that is the location of friend's house A, ठीक है. Its house position is at O. Now after that it travels a 17/6 kilometer towards west to market. So from point A to west direction, ठीक है. So that distance is 17/6 kilometer. So B is the location of market. B is the location of market. ये आपका किलोमीटर कितना है, 17/6 किलोमीटर. So basically what is the location or what is the position of market from his house is this simple. This distance is the distance of house and market. Now AB is given, that is 17/6 kilometer. OA is given is 5/4 kilometer, and we are interested to find the value of OB. So how can we calculate the value of OB? So OB is AB minus OA. AB minus OA, that gives the value of OB. So OB is the distance of market to the house. So OB की वैल्यू हो गई AB minus OA, that is 17/6 minus 5/4. Now we are taking LCM of these two number. LCM कितना आया, 12. Now 12 is divided by 6 to 17 into 2 minus 5 into the 12 is divided by 4, the quotient comes 3. 5 into 3, so that is 34 minus 15/12. So the distance is, the value of OB is 19/12 kilometer. How much distance? 19/12 kilometer. Is that clear? So today what we have discussed, we have discussed certain subjective questions on the rational number, ठीक है. So total I think 20 questions are in the exercise, in which we have discussed around 5 to 6 questions, 7 questions. Remaining questions is in homework. Is that clear? ठीक है. So the today's homework is exercise 1.4. and the questions of mixed bag, 10 questions of the mixed bag. ठीक है? Okay. Now